What up, fam? Manly Brandon.
DJ.
And today, we're reaching down into the Sac Magique for the final time, I believe. We're pulling up Takis Dragon Sweet Chili. So,
I'm gonna have one of these on standby in case they're hot. But talking about no being hot.
no, maybe you'll be alright. They don't smell like anything in particular, so I'm gonna grab a couple so you get all the spiciness. And that's what they look like.
Bit hot actually.
Yep. Alright, cheers.
Cheers. That's Cheetos.
Yeah, that's like a flaming hot. It's not bad. I like these. These aren't bad. I give these about 8 out of 10.
I'd rate them when I give Cheetos, which is a 7 out of 10.
Yeah, these are pretty good. They're new. Have a cool little dragon on them. Can't go wrong. So yeah, go give these a shot. All right, peace.